just came to Karner nature trail and we are going to see this beautiful nature, this beautiful viewpoint on the Krabi, and some waterfalls. Is very nice here. And if you will go here, make sure you will have your shoes and not the flip-flops, because first time 2 years ago we came here and they sent us back like, oh, with flip-flops it's very dangerous. So make sure you will take your shoes. You don't pay here any entrance, it's for free. Made it to the top of this mountain, and the viewpoint here is so beautiful. You can see all the Krabi. There is Aonang, it's very beautiful. You have big panorama, so beautiful. I really recommend to visit this mountain. And now we are going to waterfalls to refresh a little bit because we are soaking wet. We just made it to the waterfalls, and it's actually one waterfall and very small, but never mind. We are going to get colder a little bit because it's really hot, very humid. Good morning guys, we have next very beautiful sunny day and we decided to visit Krabi Emerald Pool. We went by motorbike and it was from Krabi town like 60 kilometers, so it took around 1 hour and maybe 10 minutes or something like this. Okay, so we are trying to find the way how to get there. Okay, you have the signs here, so you are safe, don't worry. If you are going to Emerald Pools and you are hungry, don't worry, you have lots of markets here, so you can eat here, you can buy here water, you have here everything, ice cream and everything, and also like inflatable toys, if you can see behind. So if you can't swim, you can buy here some inflatable toys or something. You have also some clothes. You have here, really, look, everything. Flip-flops, swimming suit, some barbecue, and it's not so expensive. Like normally when you are going to some touristic place, it's really like overpriced, but here I think it's normal price. You have to pay entrance here, it's like 200 baht for adult. It's a little bit pricey, but never mind, because it's so beautiful here. It's really like amazing place, and we are just in the beginning of this park, or how to call it. It's so beautiful. Look at this. Look at this.
Look at that. You got under? Yeah, look at that. Look at that.
Get from behind.
Look at that.
You can't do it.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Yeah,
look at that.
And if you tell that to the cops, they're not going to give you any consideration.
Oh, look at that.
Palms and everything. Look, bamboos. Oh, wow. It's really amazing. I feel like, wow. I think this is, until now, the best or the most beautiful place I ever seen in Krabi, and we are just in the beginning, so we will see how it will be in the Emerald Pool. Then we have some crystal lagoon and blue pool or something like this, so I'm really excited to see all of them. Just came to Emerald Pool and it's very nice, but I didn't expect so many people here. But look at this, it's so beautiful. It's really nice. You cannot jump here, so be very careful. And also, for every vlogger, no drones here. If you don't have permission, no drones here. This is the Emerald Pool. We are going to swim in this beautiful emerald pool, so see you later on. Emerald Pool, it's crystal clear, it's very nice, it's a little bit too much tourists here and also lots of locals, so lots of people. If you have chance to go really early in the morning, make sure to go really early because otherwise you will have lots of people here. Came to blue pool and it's so amazing. The color, it's like really blue. It's amazing, and it's natural spring with temperatures between 30 and 50 Celsius degrees, so it's amazing. You cannot swim here, but anyway, just to see this, it's worthy experience. One local told us secret is like when you clap here, the bubbles will come from this blue pool, and it's unbelievable. I don't know how it's possible, but it's really possible. We are leaving Emerald Pool. It's been amazing, especially the blue pool. It's so amazing. You cannot swim there, but anyway, the view is amazing, so it's worthy. You will pay entrance 200 for adult, 100 baht for child. When you will come by entrance, make sure to go to the right side because there is beautiful road by the wooden bridge. It's really amazing. Right now we are in Krabi town, and this behind me is beautiful Buddhist temple, I suppose. And here behind me you can find on Friday, Saturday and Sunday night markets in Krabi town where you can have delicious foods. now we are on my favorite place in the night markets in Krabi. They are operating on Friday, Saturday and Sunday, and right now we are going to have our favorite thing, crepe with banana and Nutella.
Excuse me, 50 baht. Yes, thank you. ขอบคุณครับ